Hey everyone, it's Michael here from Becker Games. If you haven't seen the introduction to the Internet Connection Notification program yet, you can watch that first by clicking on the annotation. I'm going to go and start up the program, and we'll be asked if we want to test for pingable websites. If you know that you have an internet connection at this time, then go ahead and test for pingable websites. If you don't have an internet connection right now, then you should not test for pingable websites. If you do test for pingable websites like I just did, it'll take about 20 seconds usually. You can do other things while you wait, but it does help the program to more accurately detect your internet connection though. So it's always good to do if you have the time and you know that you have internet connection at that point in time. So it finished pinging all the websites, and it shows that we have all the live websites and all the dead websites. Basically, the dead websites, it won't use those for this session. And so now we see it in the taskbar, connected to the internet, and this little blue icon tells us if it was red, then we would not be connected to the internet. If I turn off my internet connection, then you'll see that it turns to red. It will also make a sound. I'll go and disconnect. So it says your internet connection has gone down. There it is. And you can choose, maybe you don't like the sound scheme. You can choose between two options in the sound scheme. So you simply right click the icon. One is simple Windows sound, like you just heard. And the other is my voice letting you know the situation. So I'll go ahead and go to voice just so you can see what it's like. I'll turn the internet connection back on.
Your internet connection is back up.
It says the internet connection is back up. Cool. Now I'm going to take it down again.
Your internet connection has gone down.
And you see it said that it went down. Pretty cool. So that's pretty neat. We can also change the interval for how often the program checks whether your internet connection is up or down. And 5 seconds is pretty good. If you don't really care too much, you could even do 10 or 30 seconds. It's up to you. You can also stop checking, of course. And of course, you can still change the sound. You can also turn off sound if you don't like sound. You just want to see the icon, you can do that as well. You can also log your internet connection up and down times by simply clicking Start and Stop logging. When you go into standby, though, you should be sure to stop logging because the program will think your computer was on the entire time while it was really asleep. That's the only problem that I could not solve easily. If you close out of the program, it will also stop logging automatically. So if you just went to exit, it would of course stop logging for you. You can also set up a nighttime mode. This will allow you to stop playing sounds at night while you're sleeping. You also turn off logging at night as well to stop checking for internet connection. You can specify the bedtime and the morning time simply by changing them. Pretty cool. So I use this program myself in a different way than instead of logging it, which is pretty nice. I usually just start the program up when my internet connection goes down. I don't actually have it running all the time, but I do have it installed, and when my internet connection does go down, I'll turn it on. Then I can do offline stuff while I wait for the program to let me know my internet connection is back up. Then I turn off the program and start doing stuff online again once it's back up. So that's kind of how I use it. I'll go and show you the logging real quick. Let me start logging here and go back online. And it says we're back up.
Your internet connection is
and then
back
I'll
up.
wait a few seconds here And I'll take it back offline.
Your internet connection has gone down.
And then I'll stop logging. And once I stop logging, it pops up with our record. Of course, this was only over the course of 24 seconds, as it shows here. Our total uptime was 10 seconds, and total downtime was 14 seconds, which is a 43% uptime percentage. In real life, this would be horrible internet connection reliability, but we forced it offline, which is a little different. We can also see every time that it goes up and down, which is nice as well. So I hope you'd like that. If you'd like to download Internet Connection Notification, you can visit beckergames.com. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome stuff from Becker Games. Thanks and enjoy.